Hello friends, today we will discuss DAX function max, max A and max X. So firstly we will start from max. Max returns the largest value from columns and max support the numbers, date and text values, but max not support the logical values. So firstly we will start to get max sales from sales column. So for this I create one measure. So you can see here. See, here I simply write one DAX function max, orders is my dataset name and sales is my sales column. So it returns the max sales from my sales column. Now we will try to get max order date from order date column. So for this I create one another measure for order date. So here I simply write max function, then orders is my dataset name and order date is my column name. So it returns the max order date from order date columns, right? So that means max support date values and max supports numbers. Now we will try to get max state name from state columns. So you can see here in alphabetically order A comes first and Z comes in last. So according to this it will get max state name from my state column. So let's see. So I create one max function max, orders is my dataset name and state of province is my state column name. So according to this it returns the Wyoming state name. So that means max supports text values, date values and number values. Now we will try max function with logical values. So firstly I will show you my data set. See, this is my data set and under booleans we have values in true and false, and this is blank column. Here I have not any values and this is amount columns. So let's try. So for this I create one measures to get max logical values. So here I create simple measures max sample table is my dataset name and boolean is my column name, and under boolean we have values in true and false. So when I drag boolean measures in cart, so it returns the error. See, the function max cannot work with values of type booleans. So that means max not supports booleans, or you can say logical values. Now we will use max function with blank data. So for this I create one measure max and sample table is my dataset name and blank is my column, and under blank we have not any values. So in that case if you have not any values then max returns the blank. Now using max function we will compare two measures value. So you can see here total profit is one measure and total sales is another measures. So total profit returns the total sum of profit and total sales measure returns the total sum of sales. So using max you can compare two measures values. So for this I create one another measures. See, max and total sales is my first measure and total profit is my second measure. So you can see here it returns the total profit because here total profit is more than total sales. Using max function you can also compare two measures value. So this is all about max functions, and here we learn max support the numbers, date, text, blank values, and max not support the logical values, and you can compare the two measures values using max functions. So this is all about the max functions. Now move to the max a functions. Max a function also returns the largest value from column. Max a function also returns the largest value from column. Max a support the number, dates, boolean and blank values, but max a not support the text values. If you implement the max a function with text values, so it always returns the 0. Now we will try to get max sales using max a function. So you can see here I create one measure to get max sales using max a function. So here I simply write max a function, orders is my dataset name and sales is my sales column name. So it returns the max sales from sales columns. Now we will try to get max order date from order date columns using max a functions. So here I simply create one another measure for max date. So see here I simply write max a, orders is my dataset name and order date is my date column name. So it returns the max date from order date column. Now we will try to get max state name using max a function. So simply I write one another measure, max A, orders is my data set name, and state of province is my state column name. So in that case, it returns the 0. So that means max A not support the text values. Now we will get max logical values using max A function. So for this I create simply one measures. So here I write max A, sample table is my dataset name, and boolean is my logical values column name. So you can see here under boolean we have true and false values. So true denote the 1 and false denote the 0. So here it returns the 1. So max A support the logical values, and same we try max A with blank data. So it returns the blank. Max A, sample table is my dataset name, and blank is my column name. So it returns the blank. So that means max A support the number, dates and logical values, but not support the text values. So this is all about the max A functions. Now move to the max X function. Max X also returns the largest value from column. Now we will try to get max sales using max X function. So for this I created simple measures. So you can see here max x, and here max x support the two argument. One is table name and second one is expressions. So here orders is my dataset name and sales is my sales column name. So it returns the max sales from sales column. Now we will try to get max order date using max x function. So for this I simply created other measures max x, and orders is my dataset name, and order date is my date column name. So it returns the max date from my date column. So that means max x support the date values and number values. Now we will try to max x to get max state name. So you can see here simply created one measure max x, orders is my dataset name, and state of province is my state column name. So you know very well w comes in last, so that's why it returns the Wyoming as a my max state name. Now we will try to get max logical values using maxx functions, but maxx function not support the booleans or logical values. So you can see here it gives you error. The function maxx cannot work with values of type booleans. So maxx not support the booleans values. Maxx support the blanks values. If you have not any data, it will return the blank. Maxx function also support the filter DAX function. So you can see here I create one measure, and here I want max furniture category sales. Maxx filter, then order is my dataset name. This is my category furniture, product category equal to furniture, and last one is my sales column. So that means I want furniture category max sales. So that means maxx function also support the filter DAX function. So here we learn maxx function support the numbers, dates, text, filter and blank values, but maxx function not support the logical values. So hope you clear the difference between max, max A and max X. Thank you guys.